महमूद अहमद शहद, सीनियर इंस्ट्रक्टर, गवर्नमेंट सादिक कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स, भावलपुर। अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम 700 कॉमन वर्ड्स की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 12 इसका पार्ट फर्स्ट करते हैं। अज़ीज़ तलबा, ये एक्सरसाइजें मैंने आपको पहले क्लास में करा दी हैं। अब हमने इसकी वीडियो बनाई है। इस वीडियो का आपको ये फ़ायदा है कि आपके कम वक्त में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको याद हो सकती है। आप एक एक्सरसाइज को 4-5 मरतबा करेंगे तो ये 100% आपको याद हो जाएगी। सबसे पहले हम मुश्किल अल्फाज, शॉर्ट फॉर्म और फ्रेजेस की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ताकि ये एक्सरसाइज आपको जल्दी आसानी से याद हो जाए। एंड एज द लिस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ मैन we must in our point where the others to carry what he has begun, all its wonderful and हमेशा अपवर्ड लिखा जाता है। left memory and with the results we know that this must be, but we do not always better that it's certainly it is not surprising that there are in this form outset with the end must be no more profitable to run to turn from than better to take the wider profit to be found in the consideration with its difficulties. In this way we can find both comfort ourselves, purpose, value, discover has been white person early difficulties which we are facing now that he special advantages clearly to follow learning. We find example that one small school, another special observation holding position which was South Seas। आज की हमारी डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 12, 60 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। The life story of the great man must end on the same note as the life story of the least important of men start. We must come in our reading to the point where the great man gives up his work, leaving it to others to carry on what he has begun, start his life with all its wonderful interest is past, and we who read are left with the memory of his life and with the results of his work stop. We know that this must be so, but we do not always like a thing better because we know that it is certainly waiting for us, and it is not surprising to find that there are people who can take no pleasure in this form of reading because they know from the outset what the end must be. Stop. Para. It is, comma, however, comma, no more profitable to run away, to turn our face from facts in reading than it is in life itself, and it is better take the wider view and to read for the pleasure and the profit to be found in the consideration of the whole life with its many difficulties and its many successes. Stop. In this way, we can find both comfort and help for ourselves whose lives may seem without set purpose to have little value. Stop. We discover perhaps that some person whose name has been to us like a great white light far away beyond our touch, that person met in his early days with many of the same difficulties which we are facing now, that he, like us, had no special advantages, no clearly marked course to follow. Like us, he had to make his own way, step by step, learning as he went. Stop. We find, for example, that one man who became world known began his working life as a teacher, helping his brother in a small country school. Stop. Another worked on a farm, and a third made his first special observation while holding a small and not important position on a ship which was making its way to the South Seas.